Ever felt like your money is trapped in different corners of the world? Ever wished you could send a quick payment to your friend back home without the hassle of crazy fees and exchange rates? Or maybe you're a freelancer who needs a way to get paid internationally. Well, my friends, those days might be over. Because today, we're diving into the world of Monese, an online-only banking app that's taking Europe by storm, and specifically, we're tackling your Monese ID. But before we jump into what that is and why it matters, let's take a quick step back. Imagine a world where your bank account isn't chained to a physical location. A world where you can manage your money from anywhere, anytime, on your phone. A world where international transfers are a breeze and fees are a thing of the past. That's the kind of future Monese is trying to build. Alright, enough with the hype, let's get down to brass tacks. So you've downloaded the Monese app, you're excited to explore its features, but you're stuck on this Monese ID thing. What is it? Why do you need it? Don't worry, we're here to break it all down for you. Think of your Monese ID as your unique passport to the Monese world. It's a combination of your username and a special ID number assigned to you by Monese. This ID acts like your account number, allowing others to send you money directly. Here's why your Monese ID is important. Sending and receiving money. Whenever you want someone to send you money through Monese, you'll need to provide them with your Monese ID. This ensures the money goes straight to your account, nice and easy. Keeping things secure, having a separate Monese ID adds an extra layer of security to your account. Since it's not just your username or email address, it reduces the risk of someone accidentally sending money to the wrong account. Verification purposes. Monese might ask for your Monese ID from time to verify your identity, especially when dealing with larger transactions or account changes. Finding your Monese ID is easy. Open the Monese app and tap on your profile picture in the top corner. This will open your profile menu. Your Monese ID should be displayed clearly, usually along with your username and email address. You can also find it in your account settings under Profile. Sharing your Monese ID. Now, you might be wondering, how do I share this Monese ID safely? Here are a few tips. Only share it with trusted individuals. This might be friends or family who need to send you money. Avoid sharing it online or on public forums. Use secure methods. There are a few ways to share your ID within the Monese app itself. You can copy and paste it, or use the built-in QR code function which allows the sender to scan the code and pre-fill your information. Don't share your PIN or password. Remember, your Monese ID is different from your login credentials. Never share your PIN or password with anyone. Monese ID, a handy tool, but use it wisely. So there you have it. Your Monese ID is a key tool for managing your money and making international transactions a breeze. Just remember to keep it safe and share it wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially informed.